In mobile computing, we will move towards the topic called wireless LAN. So, we will be starting with WLAN today. So, what is the formal, way we address WLAN as? It is the general term, but actually W1 in terms of technical terms is called 802.11, which is Wi-Fi. Okay. So we address usually WLAN as Wi-Fi. So how this protocol work is, it uses, the underlying architecture of two types. How the systems or, the stations are, the transmitting stations are connected is of two ways basically in case of wireless LAN. Okay. Now, first of all, we will understand how the signals are transmitted. What are the, see, in electromagnetic waves means sunlight, we can say, in, simple terms. The spectrum is divided as per the wavelength or frequency, we can say. If you have higher wavelength, we say it's a low frequency. So the frequency ranges where the lowest frequency is called X-ray and the highest frequency is generally called, radio waves. Sorry, the lowest frequency is radio waves, the highest frequency is X-ray. Okay, frequency is increasing, low to high, we can say. Okay, radio waves, then we have microwaves. Okay, then we have infrared waves, then we have the lowest one is X-ray. Okay, so usually broadly we use these waves only for wireless LAN, communication through wireless LAN. So what are the waves? Radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves, X-ray. Usually X-ray is not used for communication. Okay, we use IR, microwaves, radio waves, and we term this microwave radio wave as radio frequency only. Radio frequency. And this is infrared. Infrared. So mostly wireless LAN communicate through these waves. Okay. The property and the advantages, disadvantages, the theory part, I'll explain in the class and I'll send you the notes separately, don't worry. But most important is to understand the architecture of 802.11. Okay, so we will understand how the architecture, works. So basically, the architecture is of two types. Okay, wireless network architecture. This is what we will study. So it is of two types. Okay. So one is ad hoc network, ad hoc way. Another one is the sophisticated one called infrastructure. This is ad hoc mode and this is infrastructure mode. So usually the architecture is defined in two ways. One is ad hoc mode and the another one is, architecture mode. This is simple. This is, a bit complex. Complex or sophisticated, you will say. Now, since it is simple, it doesn't connect to internet. Doesn't connect to internet. Internet means the web. It doesn't connect to the web, but it connects to the internet. Connects to internet. Now, what are the other differences? In ad hoc mode, they work in peer-to-peer manner. Peer-to-peer manner communication takes place. Here, what happens? It connects to the internet. It doesn't work in peer-to-peer manner. It, uses the client-server architecture. It acts as a client-server architecture because it connects to the web, and in web, there is always a client and a server. Okay, in web services there is always a client and server. So it works in a client server manner and it works as a P2P manner, that is peer-to-peer manner. So how the ad hoc mode works, as you know the differences now, you can somewhat think that in ad hoc network devices are connected by themselves. Okay, just like a Bluetooth, not the Bluetooth connection, it will be wrong to say. There is a simply a network, like a LAN network, which is not connected to internet. If suppose there is a LAN network just for sharing within limited systems, and they do not have anything external to take from internet or to give to internet, that is, they are not connected to the web, then we call it as an ad hoc network. This is one network. Suppose there is another network in which 5 computers are connected among themselves. Okay, they are connected among themselves. No one has power over the other. That's why they are called peer-to-peer. They are working together. I can send data to you. You can send data to me. So what is the data here? The data which consists of all the devices. हर डिवाइस में जो जो डेटा है वही सम उसका सम टोटल कर दो उतना ही डेटा है. ओके, वही डेटा को तुम इधर से इधर भेज सकते हो. You can transmit it among yourself. But there is no external data from internet. किसी और वेब से तुम डेटा नहीं ले सकते, ना ही डेटा दे सकते हो, because it is the connection is among these few devices only. That is called ad hoc network. Okay, so this is a ad hoc architecture and it is completely peer-to-peer in nature. Okay, I hope you got the idea. Now, what is infrastructure network? What happens in infrastructure mode is we connect to the internet, and connection to the internet takes place always through a AP access point. Without the access point, generally access point means a router or a switch or someone which can forward. In computer networks you have already studied that router or switch, they are the intermediary device which takes data from the station and transmit it to another network. Suppose internet, they transmit it to some network called internet. Okay, they transmit it to the web. So we need an intermediary device through which we can access the internet. That's why it's called access point. We always need a AP. Okay. So in infrastructure network, the connection is like this. There is always a AP and there's a distribution line DS, we say, in which all the APs are connected. Okay, suppose this is access point 1 through which these devices are connected. Suppose this is D1, D2, D3, D4. This is AP1, this is AP2, access point 2. It may be anything, a switch, router or any intermediate devices that is capable of connecting to a different network. That is what an AP is. Okay, through which we can access. That's why it's called access point. This is suppose another network which is D1, D11, D12, D1 and suppose. Okay, this is network 1, this is network 2. Suppose there are two networks. And this entire structure is called a BSS, base station substation. Okay, this is entire system is called base station substation. This is also a BSS, base station substation. Okay, now this entire system, that is multiple BSS, are called ESS, extended station substation. Okay, so an extended station substation may consist of many base stations. Okay, suppose it is a big network which connects to the internet. Suppose we have a company called Accenture. It has various block buildings. There is block 1, it's IT building. Block 2 is a database building. Suppose these are the buildings where hundreds of people work in each of the buildings. So they have an entire base station substation. This is also a base station substation. So there are multiple base station substation which can be connected to each other, and that connection of multiple base station substation is called extended station substation. Okay. So in the end devices, or what we can say, which constitute the network. Okay, so these are the nodes. We have nodes, then we have AP, access points. It may be, a switch, a router, or anything, or bridge. Okay, then we have what? We have base station, substation, and we have extended station, substation. So this is what constitute of a infrastructure mode, and the architecture look like this. And we have a distribution system as well, DS. DS is what? The line which connects the AP. The APs are connected in a through a distribution line. Okay. So this is how this was about the network architecture of wireless LANs. Okay. So now moving on, we will discuss about the MAC layer. Okay. So how the medium is accessed in wireless LAN. So as we have studied in medium access control, wireless LAN also uses the access techniques as CSMA CD. It uses what? CSMA CD, collision detection. Okay. Or it may also use CSMA CD. So these are the two important access method. Okay. CSMA-CD is just an improved version of CSMA-CD. CSMA-CD is generally known as Ethernet. Ethernet. Okay. What is CSMA-CD called? Ethernet. Okay. So the medium access in wireless LAN is either CSMA-CD or CSMA-CD. Usually we use Ethernet, that is CSMA-CD, in almost every wireless protocols. Okay. So this was about wireless LAN. In the next class, we will know about how the power management takes place, what is the security, how the security is being done, and the various types of wireless networks, small to large, that is how Bluetooth connection takes place, okay, how roaming takes place, okay. So these are the 4 things we will discuss in the next class. If you have any doubt, you can post it in the comment section, or you can reach me via WhatsApp, okay. And